ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಲರ್ನಿಂಗ್ DCEಗೆ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ. In this video I am going to present you order of an element of a group of BSc third semester mathematics paper 3. Definition of order of an element of a group. The order of an element of a group G is the least positive integer n such that a power of n is equal to e. Means the integral power of an element is equal to e, then the integral power is known as order of the element. In case of multiplicative group, a power of n is an integral power, and in case of additive group, a power of n is nothing but a plus a plus a plus a n times, that is na, where n is the order of an element. Find the order of elements of the group G is equal to 1 omega omega square with respect to binary operation star, that is with respect to multiplication. Since G is a multiplicative group, its identity is equal to 1. Since its identity is 1, all other elements must be expressed as their integral powers, which is equal to 1. Now 1 is the identity element. So let us take the second element, omega. So omega cube is equal to 1. Since it is the set of cube roots of unity, omega cube is equal to 1. See, we have represented omega as an identity element by taking an integral power 3. Therefore, order of omega is equal to 3. The third element, omega square whole cube, if we take, it is omega to the power of 6. So omega to the power of 6 means it is omega cube into omega cube. Omega cube value is 1. So 1 into 1 is again equal to 1. That is why omega square whole cube is equal to 1. 1 is the identity element. Hence omega square's order is also equal to 3. Therefore, order of omega is equal to order of omega square, which is equal to 3. Next problem. Find the order of each element of the group G is equal to 1 minus 1 I minus I with respect to multiplication. See, it is a group of fourth roots of unity. Even it is also a multiplicative group. Therefore, the identity element is 1. Now let us express all other elements of the group G as their integral powers, and which is equal to 1. Now the second element, minus 1, first let us represent it as an integral power which is equal to 1. Minus 1 whole square. Minus 1 whole square means minus 1 into minus 1, which is equal to 1. Then take third element, I to the power of 4 is equal to 1. I power of 4 can be written as I square into I square. I square value is equal to minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 is 1. Therefore, the order of I is 4. Similarly, minus I whole to the power of 4 is equal to 1. Hence, the order of minus 1 is also equal to 4. Now, order of 1 is equal to 2. Order of I is equal to 4. Order of minus I is equal to 4. Therefore, order of minus 1 is equal to 2. Order of I is equal to 4. Order of minus I is equal to 4. Another problem. Find the order of each element of the group G is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 with respect to modular addition 5. Here the binary operation is addition. Therefore, the identity element of this group is 0. Now let us express other elements integral powers which are equal to 0. Now the second element is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 5 we will get. So 5 is divisible by 5. The remainder is 0. Therefore 1 to the power of 5 is equal to identity element 0. Hence the order of 1 is equal to 5. The next element 2. 2 also, if you add 5 times 10 you will get 10 is the multiple of 5. Again the remainder is 0. Therefore order of 2 is also 5. Order of 3. 3, if you add 5 times 15 we get 15 is again a multiple of 5. So the remainder is 0. Hence the order of 3 is also equal to 5. 4. 4 when you add 5 times it is 20. 20 is the multiple of 5. So the remainder is 0 or the order of 4 is equal to 5. Therefore order of 1 is equal to order of 2 is equal to order of 3 is equal to order of 4, that is 5. See, we have taken modular addition group and we proved that the orders of all the elements are equal. Then let us consider another problem with the modular multiplication. So in modular multiplication we have considered G is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 into 5 means modular multiplication 5. Since it is a multiplicative group, the identity element is 1. Now let us express the elements of G as integral powers, which is equal to identity element. 2 to the power of 4. When you multiply 2 to 2 into 2 into 2 4 times, 16. When you divide it by 5, 1 is the remainder. So 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 1, identity element. Next, 3 to the power of 4 is equal to 81, means we are multiplying 3 into 3 into 3 4 times, which is 81. 81 when you divide it by 5, the remainder is 1. So 3 to the power of 4 is equal to 1. Then next element 4. 4 square is equal to 16. 16 when you divide by 5, the remainder is 1. So order of 4 is 2. Order of 4 is 2. Now order of 2 is equal to 4. Order of 3 is equal to 4. And order of 4 is equal to 2. Like this, we can find the order of each element of the group by taking their integral powers. Thank you.